Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and this is Budget with Taylor. Here on my channel, I create budgeting and savings content designed to help you stay organized, motivated, and financially confident while keeping it cute and intentional. So if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe before we begin. Okay, you guys, so in today's video, I will be unboxing the 8Lotus April Deluxe Planner Box. I think that's what it's called. I still don't know the name, but it's okay. So y'all already know how I felt about the March Deluxe box. If you would like to see that video, you can click the link here to check out my reaction when I unboxed the March Deluxe box. So the April did come in a while ago, so I am just now having time to unbox it. So I don't want to make this video too long, so let's get straight into it. So y'all already know how I feel about this. I just love, and my goal one day is to have this as part of my package design. So let's get into it. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I did see a couple of videos where people, I believe it's the planner aisle, hopefully I'm not saying that wrong, but I know she does the unboxing, and it took everything in me not to click her video to get a sneak peek to see what was in this box. But anywho, so we have the famous thank you card, which I think is so cute. And then we have an April mini calendar. Oh, I love this. And then we have a 1% better every day, which I actually love because I saw something where, you know, people will say show up as your best self every day, and someone did like a counter video, is that what you call it? And they pretty much said, if you show up as your best self every single day, you wouldn't be your best self, or something like that. I'm paraphrasing. And they were pretty much just like, show up 1% better than you did the day before. So I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, oh, I never thought about it that way. So 1% better every day. So I love this. And then we have I'm gonna call this the menu. And this is what is included in the April Deluxe box. So it looks like we have a dashboards, and it's a monthly dash, floating pebbles, gentle folds, new error. And then for the planner inserts, we have the declutter list, ooh, inventory tracker, project plan, weekly plan. I'm loving it so far. Okay. And then for accessories, because I have the deluxe, I have the accessory pack, circle page flags, mini notebook, and a pen. That's what you get. All right. So, ooh, I like. This is neat. I love this. It's very elegant, and I feel as though like it definitely fits my vibe, like my setup. Oh, okay. I kind of want to like, I don't want to take it off, but I want to take it off. Okay. All right. So we have the pen, and then we have the circle page flags. So definitely, I like this. I think I have one in this color already. And we have the note. So this must be the mini notebook. Let's see. I hope it's grid. If not grid, then line, but it looks plain. It's grid. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like they read my mind. This belongs to subject. Oh, I absolutely. 8Lotus. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. I like it. Yes. I'm loving it. Okay. When I first got this is what I had in mind as far as like a deluxe, an unboxing. Because that March, it was cool, but this April, I'm loving it so far. Okay, so I guess this is the accessories pack. Yeah, I've been like getting like random paper cuts, so I'm trying to be careful about when I open stuff. Oh, this is cute. That's cute. So we have like an Easter theme like insert. I love the quality. I love that. And then we have a floral, which is perfect because I'm actually going to the Japanese flower festival. I'm leaving April 10th. And what is this? So I'm assuming it's like soap. It fits. And it just says welcome spring. I love the color. I love, I love, I love. And then we have refresh your space. That's cool. Plant seeds of possibility. I love this. And then we have, it looks like another April calendar. And then this must be the April intentions. So it says, welcome spring. Celebrate the cheerful colors of spring and the longer days that bring renewed energy and fresh beginnings. Plant seeds of possibility. Just as nature awakens in spring, take time to plan goals and projects that can develop and flourish in the months ahead. Refresh your space. Clean, declutter, and organize your environment to create room for calm and renewed energy. I love this, which now actually makes sense as far as, where is it? This image, which is like soap. So I guess it means like to clean, declutter. So I like it, I like it. That's neat. Will I use those inserts? Probably not, but you know, it's good to have. Okay, so that is the accessories pack. Next, we have the dashboards. Now, this is what I am excited. Yes, ma'am. I love it already. I love it. 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 Now, so far, again, nothing beats that February box, baby. So mad I didn't get my order in time. Okay, so of course we have a linen. Oh, that is stinking cute. I love the font and I love how it goes with this. That is a cute stack. It gives birthday. I love this. Okay, I might be using this. This right here is my swag. So it says a new era for me, stepping into my next chapter. This is luxury. This is definitely my vibe. It fits my setup. This is sexy. And it's front and back. Is this one front and back as well? Oh, I love it. I actually tried to make a dashboard like this and it just would not print the way that I envisioned. So I gave up. And I'm not getting dashboards professionally printed when I can do them myself. So maybe I need to get like another type of printer or just play around with my print settings more. But yeah, I got over it. So yeah. All right. And then last but not least, we have the inserts. Okay. So we have a declutter list. And inventory tracker. I actually made my own inventory tracker and project planning sheets and weekly plan. So I'm excited to see the comparison. Sorry, y'all can hear my mom. She's watching the game. All right, so I'm excited to like compare these sheets with the one that I created for myself. So, all right, so we're gonna put that there. I actually really like this. A declutter list. This would have been perfect when I did my Instagram declutter sale. I honestly don't see me using this. However, it can be useful in the future, but I don't see me using it maybe anytime soon. I could be wrong. So yeah, but I do like this. I guess I just don't see the point in writing it down. So maybe I need to see like an example. I mean, I can definitely see someone using this like if they're moving or something. Do I like it? Absolutely. I think this is a great idea, but realistically, I don't see me using this anytime soon or possibly ever. Like I said, I gotta see how people use it, but overall, this is a great idea. I do like this. And then next we have an inventory tracker, which definitely I need. I have a digital one that I keep for all of my, and I love the fact that they give you so many sheets. I love that. The inventory tracker, I do keep digital for my store, for my small business. So I guess like a physical one. When I get shipments from my supplier and I am restocking, I just honestly do like pen and paper. So in this case, I can definitely see me using this sheet in that way, since it's more physical and the one that I have is like digital, because literally like I'll just write it down like on a plain sheet of paper and then log it into the computer and then throw it away. But I guess like it's always good to have a hard copy, and then I can also like date it so I can look back on it. So this is neat. I definitely like this. It's very simple, very minimal, which I like. Okay, so next we have a project plan. Do I have a project plan? I do have a project plan. I don't think I created it. I think I got it from someone. So I'm gonna have to find it. However, again, I definitely see me using this and this for my business, because I always have a lot of ideas. So definitely, yes, this I definitely will be using, is the best way I can put it. Especially like I said, with all the new project, at least the big projects that's gonna like cost money, I see me using this. And maybe I'm feeling like I can only use big projects with this sheet is because of the cost. I'm probably feeling that way because it's like I don't want to use all the sheets, but then also at the same time I can just make me some. Or I can just find the one that I purchased and download it. So I gotta find it. But either way, I love this. I love how it has like a start, due, budget, cost, completed on, objective, brainstorms, to do. I really, really love this. I can see me using this, but then behind it, instead of it being like front and back, having like a separate sheet where it's like an idea page. So like this would be the cover with the project names, yada yada, and then the next page would be like brain dump, and then me having like all of my ideas that I want to go into the project. Because let's be realistic, at least for myself, with me being a graphic designer, I have pages of like brain dumps, and then from there we can do like the project sheet, which is this part, the brain dump on the back, and then maybe like a storyboard depending on what I'm working on, because I also do animation, so that I can like time it out. I can't think of it what it's called right now, but I definitely use it day to day. So yeah, I really, really like this. Okay, all right, enough about that. Because again, the ideas are flowing as to like how I can use these sheets and how it will fit into my planning lifestyle. Definitely, I love this. And then we have a weekly plan with a Monday start date. Okay, y'all already know. If you're new, I do not like planners that have a Monday start date. I just think it's so weird to have a Monday to start the planning off on a Monday, when in my head the week starts on a Sunday. That's why it's called first Sunday. Duh. I mean, even though it's the first Monday, but technically like but anyway, all right, so I do like this layout. I do have one similar to this where it's like blank on this side, and then on this side is just lines. It is undated, which I like. So I guess here's another thing that I don't like. It's the fact that this is front and back. Like, I feel as though like this was, I understand them not wanting to waste paper, but then it's also like, why make it front and back? Just do like a plain paper so that it's by itself, and then you could have made this side this. So that's the only thing I really don't like that I've noticed with when you're ordering from planner companies, is that they will front and back design quick, and it just ruins the layout in my opinion. But yeah, I do like this. Definitely. I saw one, and then of course they just made it a line. Why not just make it front and back if you're not going to give us line, unless it's supposed to be a preview as to what's coming next month. But yeah, so I mean, overall I would rate this box I'm gonna say a 7. A 7.5. And the reason why personally I'm rating a 7.5 is because 10, I feel as though is like perfect. Like y'all already know, like a 10 is like my dream unbox planner with just everything that I envision. A 9, I think, would be the February box. The February box, that was a 9, because that box was just chef's kiss. And 8, because this is only my second box, I don't want to rate it too high, and then next month it's like, oh no, this is better. So I want to leave that 8, you know, so which is why I'm going to give it a 7. March was definitely a 5. Again, that's just my opinion. Overall, I do love this April Deluxe box. I think that it is better than the March. So yeah, this is promising. This is promising. So I know I said that I would do 3 months, which is March, April, May. So I'm gonna do 1 more month. And then from there, after May, I will decide if I want to keep this or if I want to switch to another deluxe box. Yeah, so overall, this was neat. I am pleased. I am pleased with all came in this box. Like I am happy. Like I am happy, friends. Even though I did rate it a 7, I am happy. Like I am happy. All right, so that is it for the April Infinite Lotus Deluxe box. Yes, friends, I'm like I said, I'm happy. I'm happy with the purchase. I can't state that enough. I really, really love the dashboards. That April one is definitely giving birthday. So yeah, it's definitely giving spring. Maybe if it was like Easter theme, it would be like better. But that other one, yes, that is definitely my vibe. My vibe. I'm just doing a quick little setup for a thumbnail. That is it, you guys. That is it for today's unboxing. Yeah, so you guys comment down below what item was your favorite. If you have the Infinite Lotus box, if so, like what box do you have and how do you feel about it? Or if you have other subscription box, comment down below. I know there's one called Jane Agenda or something like that. I have my eyes on that one too. I don't want too many subscription box because things can get pricey after a while, because this I believe is like 60 something dollars, and the cloth and paper, I'm not sure how much that one is, but knowing me, I want the full experience, so I'm going to get like the deluxe. I'm pretty sure there's more, but that's all I can think of. If I'm missing one, or if you guys know of any, definitely comment down below and I will check them out. So I'm excited to set up my April planner. Yeah, I'm just excited to set everything up. So again, that is it for today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, because I love to hear from you guys, and it does help my channel. So until next time, stay intentional, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.